Hi, this is Partha from Mockat. In today's video, we will look at the colleges that accept CAT score from 70 to 80 percentile. This year, CAT examination saw an impressive 2.88 lakh participants. Among them, approximately 28,800 students achieved percentiles ranging from 70 to 80. Typically, many individuals in this category consider taking the test again to improve their scores. So if you want to take CAT coaching again, try out Mockat. The website link is pinned in the description. However, if your CAT score falls within this range and you aim to join a reputable B school this year, we have curated a list of 30 colleges that consider scores within the 70 to 80 percentile range. Please keep in mind that some of the information on colleges is based on publicly available sources and not explicitly stated on their website, as many colleges do not declare their final shortlisting criteria. These are based on previous year trends and may vary this year. However, you can use this list to plan your college application based on your CAT percentile. Most of these B schools also accept score from other MBA entrance exams like XAT, GMAT, CAT, NMAT, GRE, etc. First in the list is Birla Institute of Technology and Science, requires 75 percentile and offers an average package of 17.3 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Great Lakes Institute of Management, Gurgaon, requires 75 percentile and offers average package of 15.8 lakh per annum. Next in the list is National Institute of Banking and Management, Pune, requires 70 percentile and offers an average package of 15.2 lakh per annum. Next in the list is National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, requires 70 percentile and offers an average package of 13.9 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Jagdish Seth School of Management, IFIM Business School, Bangalore, which requires 70 percentile and offers a package of 13.3 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Nirma Institute of Management, which requires 75 percentile with an average package of 13 lakh per annum. Next in the list is School of Management and Entrepreneurship, IIT Jodhpur, which requires 70 percentile and offers an average package of 13 lakh per annum. Next in the list is National Insurance Academy, Pune, which requires 70 percentile and offers an average salary of 12.5 lakhs per annum. Next in the list is Wellington, Mumbai, which requires 75 percentile, which offers an average package of 12.4 lakh per annum. Next in the list is IMT Hyderabad, which requires 75 percentile and offers an average package of 12 lakh per annum. Next in the school is Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad, which requires 75 percentile and offers an average package of 11.7 lakh per annum. Next in which requires 70 percentile in CAT with an average package of 11.5 lakh per annum. Next in the list is IMI Bhubaneswar, which requires 75 percentile, offers an average package of 11.3 lakh per annum. The next college is Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship, Bangalore, which requires 75 percentile and offers an average package of 10.8 lakh per annum. Next in the list is IMI Kolkata, which requires 70 percentile, which offers an average package of 10.5 lakh per annum. Next in the list is IBS Business School, Hyderabad, which requires 75 percentile and offers an average package of 10.4 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Soil Gurgaon, which requires 70 percentile and offers an average package of 10.3 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship, Kochi, which requires 70 percentile and offers an average package of 10.3 lakh per annum. Next in the list is BIMTech, which requires 75 percentile and offers an average package of 9.8 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Flame University, Pune, which requires CAT cutoff of 70 percentile and offers an average package of 9.2 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Xavier Institute of Management and Entrepreneurship, Chennai, which requires 70 percentile and offers an average package of 9.2 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Christ University, Bangalore, which requires 75 percentile and offers an average package of 9 lakhs per annum. Next in the list is Fostima B School, New Delhi, which requires 70 percentile and offers an average pay of 9 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Amrita School of Business, Coimbatore, which requires 75 percentile and offers an average package of 8.9 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Indian Institute of Forest Management, which approximately requires 78 percentile and offers an average package of 8.4 lakh per annum. Next in the list is IBS Mumbai, which requires 70 percentile and offers an average package of 8.2 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Alliance University, which requires 75 percentile and offers an average package of 8 lakh per annum. Next in the list is National Institute of Technology Trichy, which requires 75 percentile and offers an average package of 7.9 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Jaipura Institute of Management, which requires 70 percentile and offers an average package of 7.8 lakh per annum. Next in the list is IBS Bangalore, which requires 70 percentile and offers an average package of 7.4 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Amity Business School, Noida, which requires 70 percentile and offers an average package of 5.9 lakh per annum. Next in the list is Malaviya National Institute of Technology, Jaipur, which requires 70 percentile and offers an average package of 5.6 lakh per annum. On our YouTube channel, we will be uploading more videos about colleges which you can apply with various percentiles, VAT and PA preparation videos, B school deadlines, shortlisting criteria, news and much more. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you.